Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can create an aesthetic blur on your face only with the Picsart. You just need to open your Picsart right away. Just open and wait until the application is just perfectly open on your phone. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into this plus button and pick the picture that you want to edit. And here I already have the picture that I would like to edit. The next thing you need to do is just take a look on this bottom feature. Go tap into the effects and you just need to go tap into the blur one. And now you just need to go find the blur that you want to have here. Just tap into the blur one. And now you just need to go click this erase here. And then you just need to go click select the face one. And now you just need to click this checklist button and tap into the blur one, and you just need to adjust the blurry effect here. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click apply. So just download it and you're done. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.